then can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you say mom?
Mom.
Say dad?
Dad.
Say Layla.
Yeah.
Say grandma.
Mama.
Grandpa.
Papa.
Can you say cat?
Wow.
Can you say dog?
Oh.
Can you say elephant?
Boo.
Very good. Can you say elephant?
Ah.
Mm.
Ooh.
Yeah. Can you say monkey? What's a monkey say? How about a duck?
Duck.
What's the duck say?
Dad.
Quack, quack.
Go. Go.
Can you say more?
Wow.
Oh, can you say roar? What's the dinosaur say?
Dad.
What's the lion say? Ah, yes. Can you say please? Can you say thank you?
Down.
Can you say up?
Up.
You say down?
Down. Down.
Can you clap your hands? Can you touch your nose? And your eyes? Can you touch your eyes? Can you touch your...
Lennon, can you say goodbye?
Bye.